Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have the AUTOPHIX OBD2 reader. It's the 3210. And you are looking for the port in your vehicle. If you're not sure where it is, you can Google your vehicle model and year, and it will tell you where the OBD2 port is. On this vehicle, it is under here. So let me plug that in. I have that plugged in. And for your device, either on the iStore or in Google Play, you're looking for the AUTOPHIX app and you're opening it, and then it will automatically connect. And if it doesn't automatically connect, you can go into your Bluetooth settings and look for the AUTOPHIX 3210 in your drop-down menus. But anyway, so for this vehicle, it has a check engine light, which you can kind of see there behind the fuel gauge. Right there, it's kind of hidden by the needle. So in this case, we can do a couple things. We'll go into a diagnostic, and then I'll start reading from the OBD2. And then we're gonna hit this top one, ECU1, for most vehicles. And then we're gonna look for trouble code, and it'll scan. And in this case, it will give us a catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 1. So basically, we have an oxygen sensor that is either bad, or we have a little bit of an emissions problem in the vehicle. So we'll have to take care of that. But in the meantime, we can hit clear code, and then we hit OK. And then it'll turn that check engine light off for us. So let me kind of like slide in here, so you can see how that check engine light has gone off. And then we can see if it was maybe just a regular fault or a repair that we have to do. So we can go back, and there's a whole bunch of stuff that this little sensor does. And another thing we can do is vehicle self-check. And we have all the different troubleshooting areas that we can go to. We just do this, and it will go through all the different scan. It'll look through all the sensors, and it'll look for errors and problems. And like I said, we know that we have a catalyst problem, an O2 sensor issue. Okay. And then again, if anything comes up, you can click on it, and then you can see what each little issue is, data stream. So you can go through all the live sensors, and you can get your live data from that. So I mean, there's a whole bunch of sensors on this vehicle that we can get readings from. So pretty neat. And then when we go back through, again, we can do like O2 sensors and get the readings on those. So we can definitely find out if we have an O2 sensor or an emissions issue. You can get performance data, so it'll give you live data on that as well. It has a trouble code dictionary, so you can go through each vehicle make and model and see what each error code means. Then we have the dashboard. So again, that just gives you kind of like a digital readout of what's going on. And then back to the main menu, you can do like a battery check, which is very useful. So now we have like 14.6, 14.7 volts. So we know that the alternator is good on this. And you can do a diagnostic test on this as well. So this just has a lot of different things in it. So yeah, so that's basically kind of like some of the basics function of this. It obviously does a whole lot more. You just have to go into all the different menus and see what you're looking for. But what a very complete OBD2. And like I said, you can reset your check engine lights and find out what the problem is with any of your sensors based on the data that you get back. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.